There we go. You guys hear me? There we go. Good morning. Who we got up in here? Scooter Tips, Sunny, Jersey, or Sony, whichever one. Sony. Either or. HD, Donna, JTS, Morrison, Uncle Reggie, Austin, Chris, Jeremy, Steve, David, Don. Good morning, all channel members. Greatly appreciate you guys supporting the channel as always. Robert, let's see. Oh my God, are we already having internet issues? Already? Come on. There we go. We back? Okay, we're back. We are back. There we go. Hopefully we don't have internet issues today. But anyways, expectations for this week are very low. Very, very low. Short week. NVIDIA earnings are tomorrow. Expect volume to be low. Not even going to bother trading on Friday. I just don't think the liquidity is going to be there. We have FOMC tomorrow at 2 o'clock. We have the minutes. Not the meeting, but the FOMC minutes. So yeah, the expectations are just super low for me this week. I don't know if I'm even going to trade. But I mean, we can look for setups. If there's something there, I'll take it, but definitely a risk off day for me, or risk off week. Again, expectations just aren't there. So let's crank through this. Let's see if we like anything, and then we'll go from there. But as always, if you guys do find value in this live stream, definitely make sure to smash that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. But let's do this. So main thing I'm still watching is this 2-hour squeeze that we got going on. It does look like we're trying to form a little ascending triangle right here. We're setting higher highs, or higher lows, and then equal highs up here. So if we start breaking below this trend line, as you can see, 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit, 4. If we start breaking below and that squeeze fires down, I'm looking for bounces down here. Got demand down here as well. And then if we crack 45, 41, I mean, we're still in daily supply, but we could just crack through it and start running. There is a daily gap on SPY, which I feel like they want to try and fill. But I mean, once they fill that gap, it's a straight shot into the highs. So again, NVIDIA earnings tomorrow, FOMC tomorrow. It could just consolidate today and continue to squeeze. That's definitely a possibility, but definitely going to watch that ascending triangle that we got going on and then bounces way down there. So that's it on ES. Take a look at SPY. Good God. What was I doing on Friday? Hold up. That chart's a disaster. Boom. But yeah, same thing. 2-hour squeeze. Watch the ascending triangle. Bounce 446 all the way down to 445.8 possibly. And then if we break below there, we do have that daily gap. So here is our ascending triangle right there. Look for the break of 45 or 451.95. If we can crack that, look for upside. But let's see, same thing on the 1 hour. I mean, you see the same exact thing. And then there's our 4-hour squeeze as well. So that 4-hour 21 EMA might actually come into play. 449.30. So definitely an area we want to watch. If we lose that and the trend line, then we could get that squeeze to fire down and go test those bounces. But we fire up 453.50. That's going to be the gap entry. And then 455.50 is going to be the gap fill. I personally think they want to fill that before pulling the market. We'll see. But cool. That's everything on SPY for the time being. Let's take a quick look at NQ. So what we got going on here, we hit that 50% retracement. We'll watch the 61.8. Only issue is there is a daily gap on QQQ that we have to watch. So, I mean, if we could break this high on NQ, I'd be interested in the uptrend entry back into these highs. But yeah, I mean, literally back to that 52-week high, we got super close. Good morning. But yeah, bounce here, demand way down there. That's really all I got for the time being. Let's take a quick look at QQQ. Get that daily gap. Let's see, gap entry here. Gap fill is going to be here. You guys hear a noise in the background. It's my cat playing with a box. No. But yeah, let's see, get above there. That was that previous 52-week high. After that, we got more room. I mean, pretty much straight shot up into there, 390, 395, etc., etc. Just sitting in this range. But like I said, I'm pretty sure that's 61.8. Yeah. So, I mean, if I'm looking for a bounce, it's going to be here. 61.8 is going to be in the gap fill, so not really interested in trying that. Maybe a scalp on the futures, but that would be about it. Definitely not high probability at all. So, that's it. ESNQ, SPY, QQQ. Take a look at SPX. I don't know where we closed on Friday. We closed above 4,500, so, I mean, we cracked above that 45.21. Interested in more upside. Got that daily gap right down there. Got the daily gap up here. I mean, that's pretty much it with SPX as well. So let's see what we can find on the individuals. Start with Apple. That already done, filled the gap. Same thing, just squeezing. AMD, that's going to move based off NVIDIA earnings, so really not too much going on there. Amazon, I am sure already broke these. Yep. See that 4 hour. I mean, not a whole lot with that Amazon chart either. Boeing, nothing there. Actually, hold on. Boeing actually doesn't look bad. I lied. Question is there liquidity? That's the only issue with Boeing. Is there liquidity? Yes, there is. I mean, maybe a bounce down here. It does got a little 1 hour bull flag going on. So that definitely could come into play. A little 30-minute bull flag. So maybe Boeing. Do have a weekly watch list that we're going to go through as well. I guess everybody's taken off this week. Not a lot of people up here. Let's see, Baba, don't care about it. Oh, coin. Possible uptrend entry. I mean, it looks like it finally cracked that 100 and held. Hundo. Boom. See, the thing is with Microsoft, it sold off all the gains off of that news. Let's see, coin liquidities in the 105s. So we'll watch that. Possibly. Costco selling off psychological resistance of 600. Google don't care about. That filled the gap. IWM. Nothing there that I'm too interested in. Meta. Four-hour squeeze. I mean, maybe that 4-hour 21 EMA comes into play. We'll see. Again, put a question mark next to that. Not in love with that, but we'll see if we test it. Microsoft, like I said, sold off all the gains. Really not too interested based off of that news. If they liked it, they would have held it up. Brandon, I just broke up with the girl you gave me advice for. Turns out she's crazy. Hey, If she's crazy, leave her in the past. Hopefully she didn't take all your money in the process. PayPal, actually, we hit that 50% fib from here to here. That I would be more interested in the 61.8 now, because we already pretty much bounced it twice. Sorry, my love consulting did not work out for you. Next girl. I'll give you advice for that one. Shopify I don't care about. We looked at SPX and then Tesla. Tesla was really only interested in a bounce. Got super close to it. It's okay. I mean, if you want to watch Tesla above those highs, if the market got strong. But really, Boeing, Coin, and Meta. Coin I'm actually interested in because we broke and held above that 100. So we'll see with that here in a little bit. I don't remember what the news was today. 10 o'clock news, which is going to be important. Fed speaker at 12. So really not too much going on today. Leading economic indicators. I'm gonna have to kick the cat out of my room in a second. Let's see, we looked at AMD, Coin, we looked at Tesla, IRM, looking for a swing. Cat's gotta get kicked out. Come on. Alrighty. There we go, like a missed trade. Alrighty. So IRM looking for a swing there. What time frame did I notice the setup? I think it was a weekly. Oh, like a weekly, monthly squeeze setup, so nothing crazy with that. SPHR, I think this was the one I really liked. Yeah, I like the weekly setup on this. So I don't even know what this stock is. It has liquidity. Gonna be watching this for a possible swing. So SPHR, keep that one on your radar. LNG, same thing, looking for a swing there. Maybe a pullback towards that daily 21 EMA. We hold the squeeze. And then SMCI, still that weekly time frame. I like the equity. I think the equity is the best bet. Stop below 250, aim for 357, possibly even higher after that. Pivot high, pivot low, aim for the 127. This is definitely going to be a play off of NVDA earnings for sure. But I mean, you're aiming for $60 profit. You're willing to lose 30, 40. So like 1.5 R to 2 R. And then 392, which is going to be 100. So, alrighty. That's a weekly watch list too. I mean, it's really going to depend on SPY and QQQ when they decide to break out. Yeah, might just sit there until NVIDIA earnings. Do they not report tomorrow? Oh, they report Wednesday. Wait, no. Tuesday. Yeah, tomorrow after hours. Cool. Yeah, I mean, these individuals. Boeing, possibly just for an uptrend entry. Jadon's going to be quite upset if he sees that, but sure, he'll get over it. Coin, I'd like to see a retest of 100 for a bounce or a high risk uptrend entry above 101.56. So that one we can definitely put on the watch list. Not really too much blocking it. No fibs. Just a little slow uptrend right here. Cool. Daily supply up at 107. So it's definitely got room. Meta is going to be that 4-hour squeeze. So, what do we want to do? Do we want to do Boeing or do we want to do Meta? What's up, Chris? What do you guys think? Boeing or Meta? What we thinking? Oh, I need more caffeine. Meta. All right, now we'll roll with Meta. Cool. Let's do this. All right, so coin. Guess what? If it's a boring day, you're gonna see me playing Call of Duty again. It's what I did on Friday. Played Call of Duty. Coin looking for a bounce at 100. High risk upturn entry above 101.60. Better. Just monitoring the 4-hour squeeze, SPY. But yeah, I also think it's going to be a quick live stream this morning. Again, I feel like a lot of people are taking off. Uranium's 52-week highs. I'm still holding contracts, still holding equity, still got 100 shares of that. Sold a couple of my contracts on Friday, got 3 remaining. Looking for that thing to go hit 30. But let's see, SPY still consolidating. An entry above 452. Bounce 446.10. QQQ consolidation. Yeah, like I said, I'm perfectly okay with taking nothing this week. My expectations are just super low. That 4-hour squeeze though. That's really it. Watch the 4-hour squeeze on QQQ. Again, we could just sit here today. Nothing that I'm super in love with. Literally, if it wasn't for Team Bull, I'd probably walk away today at this point. Only here for you guys. But yeah, here's the uranium. We got in over here back in July. I think this thing wants to go to 30. That's the only thing. Next price target is 30. So we got the $25 calls. We see my average on the equity on this thing. This was by far my favorite swing of 2023. Plus, I went pretty damn heavy in it. Average price $22.13 on the equity. So I did have more shares. I got 100 left. Yeah, chilling with that. Got the contracts. Currently trading where are they at? 4.10. Crush that swing. Crushed it. But yeah, looking for more upside on this. Monthly looks prime. Looks like it wants more. So hopefully somebody's holding some with me. If not, I don't know what to tell you. But let's give everybody in Team Bull the watch list. Really not too much going on. Expectations for this week are super low. Short week. Video earnings tomorrow. And then FOMC minutes tomorrow as well. As always, trade safe. Pretty smart. No A+ setups equal no trades. Cool. Well, I don't know where Grizzly's at. Guess that's just a reason for everybody to tap in here. Also, hold up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you do that, because I'm literally 2 subscribers away from 65K. Like, you kind of have to right now hit that subscribe button if you haven't. I wanna hit 65K on here. I'll give you a big hug if you do that. Big old hug. And then once we hit 65K subs, I'll give you guys a watch list. And we'll call it a day. I know you guys can do it. I know not all of you are subscribed to the channel. I don't know. Grizzly, I think Grizzly put on his Instagram story that everybody should just join this live stream. I think that's what he said. And start hopping on here from now on. Oh no, that's what he said to me. SPX could go up, SPX could go down. Again, expectations are just super low. 2 more subscribers. Come on. Where you guys at? I know not all of you are. The 180 people in here. I think it's capped that all of you are subscribed. I think you're lying to me. Yeah. YouTube live streams better, baby. But we gonna hit it? I don't know. Once we hit 65K, I'll give you guys a watch list. Still waiting for 2 more, unless it's just not going through yet. I'd say the majority, but not all of. At least 2, I guarantee, aren't. Guaranteed. Oh, there we go. We need 1 more. One more. There it is. 65,000, baby. Boom. $65K. Alrighty, well, that's all we needed today. 65K. But yeah, like I said, and I've repeated multiple times, expectations for this entire week super low. I'm using it as a risk off week. Not going to be using literally any size at all. I just don't really see a point unless there's something that I see that's like a really high probability setup. Then I'll put size behind it. But other than that, I'm just going to take it easy this week. We have FOMC minutes tomorrow. We have NVDA earnings tomorrow. It's a short week with the market closed on Thursday. I don't expect too many people to even trade on Friday. I'm definitely not. I'm taking the day off. So yeah, this is my watch list today. It's very plain, very simple. I'm not in love with anything. SPY and QQQ are just consolidating, so we're gonna have to wait for the break. But yeah, here's the watch list. As always, I am not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you're not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. Boom. There's coin, Meta, SPY, QQQ. Bang. But yeah, it's everything. If you're a YouTube channel member, I'm about to post it up for you. Oh, you got to watch this as well. Let's see. But yeah, thank you guys for 65K. I appreciate every single one of you. I've been doing this YouTube stuff literally for almost 3 years, which is crazy. Started from the bottom, now we here, just like Drake said. Literally had like no foundation and started YouTube, and just y'all just like the content, so I appreciate all of you for even watching it. Sincerely, from the bottom of my heart, every single one of you, appreciate you all. But yeah, like I said, stay safe today. Don't get caught trying to short. The market it's strong, right? It's very, very strong. As we saw last week, shorts were getting screwed left and right. Be a little cautious. But yeah, let's run it up. Let's make some money. Trade safe, trade smart. And I will talk to everybody tomorrow. So, you're in Team Bull. Talk to you guys in like 40 minutes. Other than that,